我给你发发。
Выгружают поляка.
your attention, please. The Beijing, the family of Felon Maniela, passenger Swedish